Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Hobby Haven suite of products. So we have the Hobby Haven Designer Series paper. It's a specialty paper. It has some die cuts in there for you. We also have the Creative Haven bundle, which is the stamps along with the dies. And before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our watercolor in bloom paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. We have the Night of Navy stamping spot that's going to go with this kit. Abundant Joy add-on dies that coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. I have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem those rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. And those rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's get started on this quick and simple card. So we're going to start with the inside first. I have some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to add some designer series paper to the bottom of it. The designer series papers is basically scraps, but they look to be 3/4 of an inch tall. And I'm going to add them onto the bottom of this layer of cardstock. So I'm going to put... Let me see. I think I want all of this one on here. So I'm gonna put it down here at the bottom like this. This might even be 1 inch. I'm not sure. But it's just scraps, and I'm using both 2 different pieces on here because I'm having 2 different pieces on the card. And I just wanted to, you know, coordinate a bit. So we're going to put that on there, and we're going to give that a second to dry. I'm going to layer that onto some pecan pie that is 5 by 3 3/4 once we get to that part. So let me tell you what we have here. We have some designer series paper. We have one that is, what is this? We have 1 1/4 by 5 1/8, 2 5/8 by 5 1/8, and I don't remember what size I did this one, so I'm gonna have to get a ruler and measure it for you. Did I write it? Nope, I didn't write it on the back. So this looks to be 1 7/8 by 2 3/8. Yep, 1 7/8 by 2 3/8. Okay, so that's that. And then we're gonna layer that onto some pecan pie that is 4 by 5 1/4. And as you see, I went ahead and die cut out of this pecan pie layer, if I can get it, one of the dies from our die set. So we're going to be using this on our card. Then I also went ahead and die cut our sentiment label out of basic white, and that's going to layer right onto that. And we have a card base here of Lost Lagoon, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and come back to this and go ahead and trim off all of our extra bits. We're going to take our Stampin' Seal and add this to our pecan pie. Just throw it to the side, Shauna. Just throw it. Then we're going to add this inside of our card base. Very quick and simple there, the inside. Okay. So next we're going to do some stamping because this is the only stamping we need to do. So let's go ahead and get that done now. So I have some pecan pie ink here. And we're going to stamp You're the Best. I'm going to stamp that right in the center of our die cut. And hopefully everything goes well because I only cut one piece There we go. That's perfectly done. So I'm going to take this designer series paper, and I'm going to glue it to this pecan pie tag here. So let's go ahead and get some glue on the back of that. Oop, too much on the corner. I just need a little bit. Make sure those corners stick down. We're going to place that right on here. I'm going to try to get it evenly placed in the center. So it's going to be more space at the top than at the bottom. So we're really evenly spacing the 3 sides here, the bottom and the 2 sides. Okay. And let's go ahead and put this designer series paper onto our pecan pie here. So I'm going to put some glue down there. And on this piece, I'm going to just put it on one side in the top and bottom. We're going to get that placed right in here like that. Try to, oh, let's see. So this one we want to put top and bottom, and then on one side. And I'm doing that because I don't want to get glue on my desktop. So as you can see, these are overlapping just a little bit. Okay, so we have that. Perfect. No glue. So then I have, oh, what is this? Some of the black, gold, and white baker's twine from the Modern Christmas Suite. So I'm going to be using the white and gold one. Let's close up this glue. I have 2 strips of it, just enough to go top and bottom of this here. So I am going to get tear and tape. Tear and tape, tear and tape. Give me some tear and tape here. I'm going to put a little piece right here, just so I can hold on, have something to hold on to. Oh, glue is coming out from somewhere. Maybe not right there. Okay. We want to get it right here. Thereabouts. Okay. And I'm going to put the other one right next to it. So I have 2 pieces, like I said. And we're going to put those right next to each other, right along this seam of the, oh, don't pull so hard, Shauna. Let me see. I'll go ahead and put another piece of tear and tape on the top of that. That's why I use such a small piece. That was just to hold it in place. Now that I got them where I want them, I can go ahead and get another piece for the bottom 2 ends. We're just going to put that right here like this. We can cut off our little extras. And we're going to add this to our card base. So let's remove the backings of this tear and tape, because that's going to help it stick down. I could have popped this up. Where's my glue? That might have been a good idea to pop this up, but I don't think I want to now. And that's my prerogative. Okay. So we have that done. The card is going the right way. We're going to put this right in the center of our card base, like that. Okay, so we're going to layer these 2 together. I don't know if I should do it this way or if I should do it this way. I think I'm going to do it this way. And these are going to be layered down flat. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue. Pop it on the back there. Let's see. because I want to put it at an angle. Just like that. Oop, push it back up. Line up those holes. Okay. I think I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. So there probably was a reason I didn't want to pop up this layer, because I don't really like having more than one layer of dimensionals. Sometimes I will do more, but I don't really like to have more than that. And as you can see, I'm placing those dimensions to help hold down our other layers. I feel like I need something right there. You guys know I go overboard with dimensionals. So don't yell and scream. You know it was going to happen. And now I'm thinking, why didn't I put a dimensional right over that? You know what I am going to do though? Because I'm going to add a bow on that. I want a glue dot. So let me get these dimensionals out of the way. Get us some glue dots. Where's my take your pick tool? Get a glue dot. I'm going to put it right over that circle. And I don't have to release the backing of it because I want the sticky for the other side. And I've already taken the backs off my dimensionals and I didn't want to, because I have some leaf elements here, some foliage that I need to put underneath this. So let's see. I want to put this one coming down on this side. So this one is going to go up further. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one down. Put a little bit of liquid glue. These are in Lost Lagoon, like the card base. Put that right there. Now, where was this one going? Yeah, up in the corner. Oh, don't stick your project pieces down to your desk. Oh, that's a little much. Smooth it out so it won't be so much. Yeah, we'll put this one right up here. Like that. Put this about like that. Come on, right there. Then I'm gonna put another glue dot, so I don't know why I put them away. I need a small glue dot to put right here. Right there, come on. That just went inside the hole. So we're gonna put 2 glue dots. I should have used a bigger one. Okay. And I tied a bow with that same baker's twine here. And we're gonna stick that right into that glue dot, those glue dots right there. See, it's all coming together. It's coming together. Let's close our glue. Oh, and I have one more element from the Designer Series paper pack, one of the die cuts, and it's this little cupcake. It's so cute. I want to pop that up on a dimensional. Do I? Yes, I'm going to have 2 layers of dimensional because I want to pop that up. 2 layers is my max, so for mailing. And now, if I wasn't mailing something, I would go all out. 2 dimensionals thick is all I want to do if I'm mailing a project. We're going to put that right here, like that there. Then we're going to add some bling, and I have the earthy matte dots here. It's part of this suite of products, and we're going to use let's use the Cajun Craze to bring that out right there. That was not planned. I didn't think I would choose the Cajun Craze, but I think because of the that little cherry on top, the Cajun Craze is perfect. Oh no. My little element here. Oh no. It got laid down or smushed a little. I'm trying to pick it up without tearing it up. Too bad. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some surgery. Let me get my adhesive remover, and so I can get this off. And then we can lay this down straight. That was bent to the side. Okay, I'm happy I seen that before it got too much. Doo-doo-doo. Now, I need one more. I think I need one more. Let's put... yeah, let's put it there. Call this card done. Isn't that cute? You're the best. So the inside matches the outside. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.